What's up, guys, and welcome back to the channel, man. Welcome back to the channel. First thing I want to do, man, is thank everybody for subscribing to the channel, man. The channel is definitely growing. Put my seatbelt on. I'm always forgetting to put my damn seatbelt on. But the channel is growing, man, and I just want to thank everybody for their support. Look at this guy. Come on, bruh. This is called a stop sign, man. So I want to thank everybody, man, for subscribing to the channel, liking the videos, and sharing the videos. The channel is definitely growing. The weather is trying to get nice and trying to stay nice. It's supposed to rain tomorrow, so hopefully this weekend it's nice so I can make it out to some of these meets and try to get some footage. I tried to go to a meet yesterday, but it looked like nobody showed up because I drove up there and I saw like 1 or 2 cars. So I was like, well, it's during a week, so it's probably, probably not going to be that many people showing up. So I decided to leave. But I just want to thank everybody for subscribing to the channel, man. Finally got the wheels on the car, as you can see, but there's a whole lot more to come, a whole lot more to do. But the main thing I wanted to talk about today is, now this is something that I need y'all help with, because first of all, I'm usually not a big fan of this mod. Now I know a lot of people doing it, and I see a lot of guys with the Scat Pack are definitely doing this mod. And my main concern is choosing the right brand to go with. From what I understand, a lot of people are using, I think it's Eibach, and I'm not completely sure the other brand that people are using to lower their cars, man. And if you have lowering springs on your Charger, comment down below. Let me know which ones you're using. I watched a Fat Cat's video, and he put the, I believe it's the Eibach lowering springs on his Charger Scat Pack, and I like the way that looks, because my car with these wheels, it's way too much of a gap between the wheels, and I think if I lower the car just a little bit, maybe 1.5 inches, that would definitely help the look of the car, because since I didn't go with the 22s, there's a big gap, and with the 20s, lowering the car helps the look of the car when you're just going with the 20-inch wheels. Because I'm definitely not feeling, because it makes the back of my car look like it's sitting up. The front of the car sits pretty good, but it's the back that bothers me. So I'm gonna pull over and I'm gonna show you guys exactly what I'm talking about. I'm pretty sure you've seen it, because of the other videos I've dropped, especially when I was showing the wheels. You can kind of see the gap, but I'm gonna really get up close so you guys can see what I'm talking about. And please comment down below, give me your recommendations or the best lowering springs to use, because this is something that I have no knowledge of, because again, I wasn't really a big fan of lowering the car. I just thought that was kind of some stuff that, you do with low riders, and this is not a low rider, but it definitely needs to be lowered a little bit. Either lower the car or put bigger wheels on it, and I do not want to put bigger wheels on it. I like the way it looks, but the way these streets are here in DC, I'll bend a rim probably once a week. You know what I'm saying? Especially now, I'm daily driving my Charger, and I definitely can't afford to be bending rims and all that kind of stuff. So I'm just gonna lower it a little bit, and that should help. So let me pull out. I'm gonna show y'all what I'm talking about. All right, guys. So this is what I'm talking about right here, and like I said, I'm pretty sure I've showed this before, but that gap is definitely too big. You feel me? Because I can pretty much stick my hand through there. So I need to this needs to come down about right here. So it needs to come down maybe 2 inches, I'm thinking, because that's a huge gap to me. I think if you look at it like this, that's a lot of space. and it kind of makes the wheels look small also. So once I lower the car, I think it'll make the wheels look bigger and it'll make the car look better. You see what I'm saying? It definitely needs to be lowered a little bit. And it's funny because when I had the factory wheels on here, the car looked like it was lowered already, and now you can really see that it wasn't lowered. And I'm definitely gonna have to put some springs on it. You know, put some lowering springs on the car. So with the lowering springs and the 305s or 315s, I think my car be sitting pretty damn good, if you ask me. So if you look at it from this side, yeah, it's just too much space, man. Way too much space. So I can just only imagine what the car look like when it's actually lowered. Because I mean, it looks pretty cool now, but I just think it'll look better lowered. So leave your comments, man, you know, your recommendations, what lowering springs I should go with. Because I don't want, you know, the lowering springs that when I'm riding, the car's bouncing around and, you know, like I'm riding in a 6.4. You know what I'm saying? I want it to be firm and pretty much have like a normal ride. And I know it's not going to be completely normal because it will have lowering springs on it, but at the same time, I don't want it to be a rough ride. So again, this is just a short video, man, because I need you guys' help, you know, what brand to go with, because I don't want to put anything cheap on here and then mess around and got to take them off and put something else on. That's just a waste of money. So leave your comments, man, your recommendations of what lowering springs I should use, put on my car. But that's something I'm definitely going to do real soon, along with the bigger rear tires. So if this is your first time joining my channel, man, hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, man, and I'll see y'all on the next video. Peace.